Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about harnessing the power of the universe to attract abundance on Lily's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. In a small town nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young woman named Lily. Although she possessed a heart full of dreams and a mind brimming with ambitions, she found herself stuck in a cycle of mediocrity and lack. Dissatisfied with her current circumstances, Lily yearned for a life filled with abundance and success. One day, as she sat pondering her situation beneath a majestic oak tree, an old man with wise eyes and a gentle smile approached her. He introduced himself as Master Wu and claimed to possess the ancient knowledge of harnessing the power of the universe to attract abundance. Intrigued and desperate for change, Lily listened intently as Master Wu shared his profound wisdom. He explained that the universe is an abundant source of energy, constantly vibrating and waiting to respond to our thoughts and intentions. By aligning one's desires with the cosmic energy, one could attract limitless abundance into their lives. Eager to learn, Lily became Master Wu's devoted student. He taught her the art of visualization, encouraging her to vividly imagine her desired reality. He explained that the universe responds to the images we create in our minds, and by holding a clear vision of abundance, she could manifest it into her physical reality. But Master Wu cautioned her that visualization alone was not enough. To truly harness the power of the universe, one must also cultivate an unwavering belief in their ability to attract abundance. Doubt and fear create blockages in the flow of energy, hindering the manifestation process. It was crucial for Lily to trust in her own power and remain steadfast in her belief that abundance was her birthright. Embracing this newfound knowledge, Lily began to practice daily rituals to strengthen her connection with the universe. She would meditate under the shimmering stars, absorbing the cosmic energy and envisioning her dreams coming to life. She wrote affirmations of abundance and repeated them with conviction, knowing that her words had the power to shape her reality. As the days turned into weeks, Lily noticed subtle shifts in her life. Opportunities started. With each manifestation, Lily's belief in the power of the universe grew stronger. She realized that abundance wasn't just about material possessions, it was a state of mind, a way of being. The more she tapped into the universal energy and aligned her thoughts and actions with her desires, the more abundance flowed into every aspect of her life. Word of Lily's remarkable transformation spread throughout the town. Lily's journey from a place of lack to a life of abundance taught her an invaluable lesson. The universe is always conspiring in our favor, ready to bring our dreams into fruition if we are willing to believe and take inspired action. With gratitude in her heart and a deep understanding of her own power, Lily embraced the abundant life she had always yearned for, knowing that she held the key to unlock the universe's infinite treasures. And so can you. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in channel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.